A very good morning to Madam Dalila binti Muhammad Harun, lecturer of BNS 10202 Safety and Health Culture. Today, we are from Group 5 is going to present our slides on accident issues that we had chosen, which is about Tianjin explosion in China on the year 2015. Before we start, let me briefly introduce the group members, which consists of 5 persons: Flora anak Charlie, Crystal anak Dinan, Adam Iqmal bin Muhammad Nazri, Adam bin Suhaimi, and Muhammad Aiman Shahmi.
Okay, the introduction of this case. First, in August 2015, a warehouse in the port of Tianjin in northern China experienced two major explosions. According to the China Earthquake Network Center, the first explosion was powerful, as if 3 tons of TNT had detonated, and the second was equivalent to 21 tons detonating. This second explosion was so significant that astronauts orbiting Earth on the ISS could see it from space.
Next, we will discuss on the causes of the incident. So, what caused the Tianjin explosion to happen? We can look at both the immediate causes and the most significant underlying reasons that contribute to such a devastating event. The origin of the disaster was a container of dry nitrocellulose. The container got overheated and the wetting agent inside had evaporated, which in the end, it led to spontaneous ignition. The fire caused by the dry nitrocellulose reached another hazardous substances stored in the warehouse. One of it was ammonium nitrate fertilizer. The flame caused the fertilizer to explode. Of course, with so many dangerous substances around, it is no surprise that it led to another explosion.
The explosion took place at an unlicensed chemical warehouse in Shidito Township in Tianjin's Beichun district. The warehouse reportedly stored 3,000 liters of alcohol and 1,000 liters of acetic acid. The explosion was reportedly triggered by a chemical leak. The blast occurred around 9:46 p.m. local time.
Hi, my name is Flora, and I will explain about the short video that you have watched just now. After watching the short video, we can identify few factors which lead to the massive explosion. Generally, the leading fail behavior is often the initial cause of the accident. The subsequent fail behavior of the management and employees promoted the development of the accident to a different degree. Next is scattering of the wetting agent. According to the employees of Ruihai Company, there exists a violent behavior while managing the goods, such as rough handling, unloading, and loading of the goods, which can damage the packaging and make the wetting agent drop. The operator themselves knew this was wrong. However, prior to the catastrophic accident after the package was damaged due to the operator's mistake, the company's daily safety management failed to find out and stop such wrongdoing behaviors. Moreover, the staff also did not give any report to the management. We can clearly see that there is no safety and health awareness among them. Next is the warehouse operator, a company called Tianjin Ruihai International Logistics, was storing and staggering amounts of hazardous substances illegally, and doing so with sorely lacking of safety procedure. Clearly shown in the video just now that the two types of chemicals were put together in a warehouse. For mixed stock of a variety of hazardous combustible chemicals, the enterprise management did not realize their potential danger. Obviously, violating the stipulation in GB 11602/2007, which is the safety rules for vending in container pod. Last but not least, it is essential to note that what happened in that warehouse was not a natural disaster. Ultimately, the Tianjin, China explosion cause was a preventable problem entirely due to the human mismanagement. Eventually, over 100 people were blamed for the accident. Some were negligent, while others played a more active role in knowingly putting people in danger. That's all from my part, and I will pass to Aiman Shahmi to continue with his part. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Aiman and I will continue our presentation with the effect of the Tianjin explosion in China. Okay, firstly, due to the incident happened, it resulting a pollution to the surrounding. A day after the incident, toxic substances were detected within 500 meters from the origin of the explosion. Some of them are sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide. A toxic rain also occurred after the disaster, caused by the traces of cyanide, thus reacting with water. That's all for me. Thank you.
The conclusion to the title of Tianjin Explosion 2015 in China is the Tianjin disaster has many lessons learned to offer China as well as other emerging economies. It shows the risk many countries face when change in laws are adopted that are not accompanied by an equivalent change in priorities and practice within the organizations charged with implementing the law. Number 2, establishment and strengthening of laws to prevent harmful impacts from industry are an essential step.
That's all from us. Thank you.